Hey, want to know how to make designs really pop in your t-shirts? I thought so. The three color combinations we're going to talk about today are monochromatic, complementary, and analogous colors. Let's dive in. Let's grab the design for this t-shirt. We're going with the Jade Dome color on the G640T. First, let's use a monochromatic version using the Jade Dome color to match the color of the shirt. Monochromatic colors are the same color, just with varying levels of brightness. To make it lighter, you add white to increase the tint. To make it a shade darker, you simply add black. You can adjust until you reach the desired contrast. Next up here is a complementary version. Complementary colors can be found on the opposite side of the color wheel. We're going to use this color as it is on the opposite side of the t-shirt's base color. If we adjust the tone a little, then it really makes the design pop. Lastly, here's an analogous color option. Analogous colors are three colors next to each other. This means we can use these two options here in addition to the t-shirt color. This method gives us a couple colors to add variety to the design itself, while still corresponding with the t-shirt's color. I also added some shade to increase the contrast here. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so what if you just wing it? Does the color wheel really matter, or is it just a bunch of made-up theory? Well, here are three designs that went rogue. I'll let you decide. Maybe you think some of them look good, and certainly if that's the look you're going for, it's totally cool to make a design that breaks the rules a bit. But if you're like me and you want to save time and have a tool to use that guarantees good color combinations, then understanding a little bit about the color wheel will save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching. We hope you feel confident in finding the next perfect color combination for your next t-shirt project. By the way, if you're looking for high quality shirts and other blank apparel, check out our site at ShirtSpace.com as well as our YouTube channel for more videos like this.